Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Wix users want to use your GoDaddy domain with your Wix website. In this tutorial, we will walk you throughout the process of connecting your GoDaddy domain to your Wix site, so stay tuned to learn how to seamlessly integrate the two applications. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, is obviously to own a GoDaddy domain. To do so, we simply have to go to GoDaddy, as you can see here, and open their official website. So the official website is godaddy.com, as you can see right here. Now, right after we do so, what we need to simply have to write a name of our domain, or to make our domain. So simply here in the search place here, you simply have to write the name of the domain that you want to get. For example, here, tutorials have fun, or something like that. Click on search domains, and they will start searching for a name that will suit your domain name. Now, the first thing that will appear to you in the top are some kind of discount that's basically GoDaddy are available, or basically GoDaddy are basically launching right now. So for example, here you can buy this domain name for 0.01 instead of 21.99, but this is only, guys, for the first year. So always they give you like the domain name with the price and a small description, which is not always noticeable. So guys, you have to always check this little phrase right after the price, which explains to you the contract that you are going to do. So here, first year is only going to be 0.01, which is basically for free, and for the next 2 years you will be paying $22. So always you see 0.01, you think that this is a good deal, or you will please just take it for free. But no, it is not the case. You are actually going for a 3 years contract that you're gonna pay around $400 for this domain, so, or $40 for this domain. So here there's also a pack or a bundle that you can buy. For example, tutorials have fun.org.info.xyz and .store for only $12.02 instead of $157.96 per year. Now, always you'll find in the bottom of the page other domain names that will start and be completed by some kind of custom name, like games, mobile, host, video, tech, blog, pro, VIP, today, AI, info, etc., etc. The more wanted the domain name in the markets, the higher the price will be. So you will have to always notice that. And if there was any domain name that is quite similar to your domain that you have written right here, they will listen to you here. For example, this one is premium, so already there is a person who wanted it, and there's people also who not person who wants it, but there is person who already bought it, and he is basically selling it for this amount of price, or this amount of money, which is $4,000. So now it is only up to you. For example, let's go for online. You click here on this cart, then you go and click on continue. Make sure to go in here and uncheck everything that you might not need. For example, I don't need for domain protection, so no domain protection, because each thing you will add right here, it will be added to the total price, and it's gonna be pretty expensive without you knowing or noticing. So click then continue to cart, and then after that you will go to the checkout page, where you simply have to pay the amount of price or total that the actual thing has. Now, don't get it misconcluded, but always they will choose for you here 5 years. Make sure, guys, to change it always to 1 year, because if you choose in the 5 years, the total, as you can see, it will be 169. But once I have changed the bundle to 1 year, as you can see, I have right now like a full discount, so the price went down from $50 to $1, which is very small amount of money. Now what you need to do next is to simply click on I am ready to pay or choose PayPal. So here I'm ready to pay. Instead of it, you will have credit card, so make sure to click on it because I have already my credit card linked and everything ready to go. That is why I didn't have that option in here. I have already just directly click and pay because my credit card is already added. Now once you buy it and you have everything set down, you can go to your product right here through your account and you will find the domain name right here. So this is the domain name that I have. Now how can I connect it to an existing site? So here you can click, for example, here, and you will find here a lot of like application that you can connect this website into, so, or this domain name into. So in our case, guys, we would like to add it to a Wix website, which is gonna be right here on website. You will find here Weebly, Wix, Squarespace. So go to Wix, and here, as you can see, these are the instructions that you have to follow. So these steps are the cleanest, fastest way to connect your domain to a Wix website. Doing it this way, let's go to the oversee things to make sure they go smoothly. So first of all, let's go ahead and sign in into Wix. There we go, Wix, log in, and there we go. Now we simply have to click on our account and we will be logged in successfully. So here I am, and this is my account. Now the second thing that you have to know is you have to upgrade your plan to premium. So click on upgrade now, and your plan should be premium. So of course you can't really upgrade your account, you have to upgrade one website. So for example, I will upgrade this site. There we go, click on it, and here after a few clicks you will be able to actually make it premium. So business elite, business car, light, so choose whatever you want, but you have to upgrade your plan to the premium plan. Now after that, as you can see, click on the website from the premium site shown and enter your domain name. Important, select pointing as the connection method from the menu at the bottom of the page. Click confirm on the information box. The system will find the domain to be from GoDaddy. Click confirm, it is from GoDaddy. Scroll down to step 3 and 4 on the page, copy the A record and the C name. So this is the C name and this is basically the A record. So the A record is basically going to be an IP, the C name is basically going to be a domain name, and then click on connect domain, and after 15 seconds, or it could be like the minimum is 15 seconds, but it could take around 5 minutes. So this is the range of time that you have to wait until the actual site changes the domain name, and the domain name, once you write it down in the URL section, it will actually take you to a website. So yeah guys, this is basically it. It's pretty simple. This is how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to a real Wix website. This is basically very useful for those who want to build a website using Wix, but at the same time buy a cheap domain from GoDaddy. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.